Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on iPad using screen time. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. To prevent changes, set up a Screen Time passcode. Choose something secure and link your Apple ID so you can recover it if needed. Next, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter your Screen Time passcode, then switch on restrictions. Here you can manage what the device can do. For example, under iTunes and App Store purchases, you can stop apps from being deleted. You can also control privacy settings and choose which apps are allowed. You can block certain websites, restrict media content, and set limits for games. So that's basically how you can set up parental controls on iPad using screen time. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.